Welcome, young adventurers, to the amazing world of penguins. Today, we're going to embark on a chilly, and sometimes not so chilly, journey to discover these fascinating birds that waddle, swim, and slide their way through life. Get ready to learn some super cool facts about penguins, from their sleek swimming skills to their adorable antics on land. Expert swimmers. Penguins are incredible swimmers. They use their flippers to glide through the water, sometimes reaching speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour. Warm and cozy. Even though some penguins live in icy Antarctica, others like the African penguin enjoy warmer climates. They have special adaptations like thick feathers or sleek bodies to keep them warm or cool, depending on where they live. Happy feet. Penguins have unique ways of getting around on land. They waddle with their funny, little feet and sometimes slide on their bellies, which is called tobogganing. Family matters. Penguins are great parents. They build nests out of rocks, sticks, or even their own poop, and take turns keeping their eggs warm until they hatch. Both mom and dad penguins help raise their chicks. Dapper dressers. Penguins have a distinctive black and white color pattern that helps them camouflage in the water. It also makes them look super stylish. Party time. When penguins are feeling happy and excited, they celebrate by jumping and flapping their flippers. It's like having a dance party on ice. Deep divers. Some penguins, like the emperor penguin, can dive really deep, deeper than any other bird. They can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes while hunting for fish and squid. Wow, what an incredible expedition into the world of penguins! Whether they're chilling out in the icy Antarctic or soaking up the sun in warmer climates, these birds are truly remarkable. Remember, there's always more to learn about the amazing creatures that share our planet. So, keep exploring, stay curious, and who knows, maybe one day you'll meet a penguin face to face. Until then, keep waddling through life with joy and wonder. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.